Hello people, it's a good day and here is my update and let us talk on attitude. Attitude is everything and it is a powerful mindset that shapes the reality in life. It determines our success. We cannot control life event, but we can always control the how to react and in a positive way. There are two sides of attitude, the positive and negative. For me, I always do the positive way for me not to be stressed because if you always be in the side of negative, you can pay the price, the consequences of how you are negative on that way. And people remember this that challenges become an opportunities and an obstacle become a stepping stone. So in every way there is an obstacle and that is your stepping stone. Take note for that.